Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. So guys, for today's video guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung daily routine namin ng mga bata. So everyday guys, after dinner guys, yun, nagbabrush sila ng kanilang ngipin. So ngayon, ang pinapa-brush ng ngipin ay si Mikaya. Ninahuman na siya guys, din karon Bisaya na ako guys. Andito naman si Nathaniel guys. So yun, same thing. Brush his teeth and then wash his face and then wash his hands. So yun guys, yung daily routine namin dito mag-ina guys. Hindi madali guys kasi itong mga bata na to guys, napaka-hyper. So yun guys, hindi din namin, as you notice guys, hindi sila naliligo. So it's very very different in America guys kasi nga hindi sila pinapaliguan ng daytime. Usually in nighttime. So yun guys, pagkatapos niyan, binibihisan ko naman si Mikaya at si Nathaniel naman guys ay napakakulit. Kasi gusto niya lagi siyang nasa camera. So yun guys, with the help of Sophia guys, siya lagi talagang tumutulong na nag-help sa akin para mag-change ng damit si Mikaya at si Nathaniel kasi sometimes busy si Mami kay Isabella. Yun si Nathaniel naman guys, marunong din siyang mag-change ng sarili niyang damit. At si Mikaya umiiyak kasi ayaw niyang matulog. So every bedtime guys, we always struggle, like huge fight. And he cries every day guys kasi ayaw niyang matulog every time. Kasi gusto niyang mag-stay up. So yun guys, tapos na silang maglagay ng damit nila, pajama. Ano, si Sophia naman guys, ang nagliligpit ng mga gamit. And then, that's the time guys that I have to put him to bed. So every night guys, either me or daddy, we have to put him to bed. So now, ito naman si Isabella. Today is her bath time. So papaliguan natin ngayon sa Isabella. So andito na guys, nasa Nathaniel o nasa higaan na siya. So ready for good night. So gusto niyang itatak in siya. And then pray time and then bedtime. Andito naman ako kay Mikaya, which you can say guys, umiiyak. Kasi ayaw niyang matulog. Gusto niyang maglaro ng maglaro. Kaya sinabi ko sa niya guys na wag maglaro at maglagay ng toys sa bed niya. Kasi hindi siya makakatulog. So yun guys, sabi ko sa kanya, put your toys away. At ayun naman guys, napakasipag. At yun, nilagay niya yung toys niya. Pero after that, I have negotiated with him that he has to be good and not cry. So tomorrow, I'll give him an ice cream. So yun guys, ready to nighttime na si Mikaya. So, kino-close ko na yung light at andito naman ako guys kay Isabella. Kakatapos ko lang din siyang pinapaliguan. And then ngayon, nililinis ko ng tainga niya. Which is, napaka-easy nitong bata na to. Gustong-gusto niya guys na nililinis ko yung ear niya. Hindi talaga siya gumagalaw. Nakikita niyo naman guys. Napakahirap. Minsan maraming bata mahirap talagang lilinisin yung tainga. Pero kay Isabella, sobrang easy. As in, napaka-gentle kung ng ear niya, pero hindi talaga siya gumagalaw guys. Talagang gustong-gusto niyang nilinis ko yung ear niya. And after that guys, ito naman bedtime naman ni Isabella. Sayo lang kunti si Mama, and now she is now in her bed guys. Ayun, it's her bedtime also guys. So they have bedtime here guys. Si Mama ay night owl. At ang bata na to guys, minsan naman ay night owl. Pero talagang tinitraining namin na hindi siya kailangan mag-night out at kailangan niya ng sleep time. So yun guys, all my babies are ready to sleep. So now guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.